In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play background music in Zoom 2025 quick and easy. Whether you're hosting a workshop, a workout, or just want a little ambience during a virtual hangout, you can send crisp music directly from your computer into the meeting without holding your phone up to the mic. Start by opening the Zoom app on your computer. This method is designed for the desktop app, which gives you precise control over what your participants hear. Once Zoom is open and you're in or about to start a meeting, click Share Screen at the bottom of the window. In the Share dialog, move to the Advanced tab. Here, choose Computer Audio, then click Share. This option routes your system sound straight to everyone in the meeting, even if you don't share your screen. You can still talk over the music and participants will hear both your voice and the track clearly. With computer audio now shared, open your preferred music source, Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube, or a local media player, and press play. Keep the volume low to start. Subtle background music usually works best for voice clarity.